This is OnePlus Open 5G, and today I will show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So if you suspect that your system or your smartphone has gotten compromised and, infected with viruses, the first step that I recommend you take is to check for security updates, software updates in general, since, security updates are pretty self-explanatory and they are called to fix those security issues that you allowed or created a room for those threats to infiltrate your system. But the software updates are pretty much the same. The majority of minor updates are usually designed or, just implemented in order to fix security problems also. Anyway, so in order to do that, you'll need to launch the Settings app on your phone. Here, enter the Security and Privacy category, scroll down, look for the System and Updates, and check for System Updates. And if there will be any newer version of the software, like it is in my case, make sure to download and install it. And as you can see, the update that I've gotten is precisely the latest security update from Google. Then once you made sure that your system and security is all up to date, you can launch the Google Play Store, then here tap at your profile picture and go into the Play Protect. Now scan your system for harmful apps. The Play Protect is a very useful built-in Play Store tools that allows you to identify malicious apps and get rid of them. And if it will find any, make sure to uninstall those apps right away or simply follow the instructions that you'll see on your screen. And on top of that, just to be extra sure, you can also get yourself the third-party antivirus app, such as Avast, for example. But if you know any other apps, you can absolutely go for them. I just usually recommend this particular app since it works well, simply. So just get this app installed, follow the instructions that you'll see on your screen, and it will not only this app allows you to perform the antivirus check and if the viruses are found, get rid of them and terminate those threats. It also just overall checks your system for possible security breaches and vulnerabilities and also helps you to resolve them. And I guess as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.